Updating your primary email on Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email address is current and secure. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info, then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Access Recovery Email. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Update primary email. Find the primary email address you want to change. Click on the option to edit or update it. Enter your new primary email address and follow any prompts to verify the change. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email address, make sure to save your changes. You may need to confirm the update through a verification email sent to your new address. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email on Yahoo Mail. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to complete the process.